Meaning of flow.
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 Flow. The term flow refers to a state of complete absorption and engagement in an activity, where one loses track of time and experiences a sense of energized focus. In this state, individuals are fully immersed in what they are doing and feel a sense of enjoyment and fulfillment from the task at hand. The result of achieving flow is often increased productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. It is a desirable state that many strive to achieve as it can lead to a sense of purpose and satisfaction in one's life.